We divide 545 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 4 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we put down this 5 and it is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 0. So 545 divided by 5 is 109. So this much for today and thanks for watching.